Stay tuned to find out why they put Aqua 2 on Icon of the Seas. But first, today we are ported in Palma. Chances are, if you've cruised around the Med, then you, like us, have been here before. So, while everyone else rushes to get off the ship, for us it's a relaxing morning in the solarium. Our tip of the day is to escape the crowds and the windjammer and have breakfast in the solarium bistro. After all, you're on your jollies, so why not? Chill and relax, you'll find everything you need here. So it's a couple of hours this morning soaking up the rays and a few dips and the empty plunge pools to cool off. It's now just before midday and time for us to head out around Palma, and we can walk straight off the ship and onto the shuttle bus with no queues. Perfect. The shuttle drops you off close to the Basilica, and one of our top tips is, depending on how long you have in port, don't rush off the ship before the city has even woken up. You will see from this series the weather's baking hot all week, and we only have one more smaller ship in today, so it's really peaceful here in Palma. After a leisurely stroll around the old town area, we head off to grab some lunch at bar ES3. The food and service here was excellent.
Have you got everything?
Alright, wasn't it?
Yeah. Oh, this is a hard drive minister.
That was a super relaxed afternoon here in Palma. We have a couple of full-on days to get our steps in coming up with Cinque Terre and then Rome. So now it's time to head back to the ship. Time to grab a cocktail of the day. It's tradition. 4 raspberry rickeys down at Playmakers. But first, let's hit the carousel.
What's the man with the balloons? Is it the theme thing?
Tonight's white night. First, glass of red in Central Park before we head to dinner with stunning service and views as we sail out to sea. If you've followed us on our past Oasis cruises on either Wonder of the Seas or Symphony of the Seas, then you'll know we absolutely love the Aqua shows, and tonight's Aqua 80 show is stunning. And as we all grew up clubbing to this era, the soundtrack alone created a fantastic atmosphere. Ever likely they have rebranded it on the new Icon ship.
Have you seen this? No. having a bend. No way. Oh my God. No way. No. No. Woo! Oh my God.
Yes, Royal, another fantastic Aqua show. Please consider subscribing, it's free, and stay tuned as we're off to Cinque Terre on our own, Rome, Sorrento and Amalfi Coast, coming soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Why Not and Cruise.